Alright guys, working on the current project of replacing window pivot bars in some of our windows that are not opening, or they're opening hard because one or two of these have broken off. There's two in each window. I have windows where there's only one working, and I have windows in the house here where both of these bars have broken off. So let's go upstairs, take some out, change these up, put the new ones in, and get these windows working again. So here is one of the windows that it opens but it won't stay up. Actually, the window wants to completely come out when I pull on it because of the pivots are broken. There's nothing anchoring the window into the hardware here. And I actually have one of the pivot bars that broke here from before. Let's go ahead and change this out, get this window working the way it should be. So what often happens on the pivot shoe is it gets stuck and this doesn't rotate, and then what ends up breaking is the pivot bar. So we're just going to reset this, let those snap back up, do it on the other side here. Now we're all set to go when we reinsert the window. Okay, so the window pivots are just held in with a Phillips screw. Just need to unscrew this, make sure you don't lose the screw, and insert the new hardware, and we're good to go. Just line things back up just like that. Now the old one is actually still in here. Just put that out here. There we go. Let's get the new one in now. Slide that in, and we're looking for the hole that was screwed before. It's actually in the second hole for me going in. So I'm going to line it up till I see it right there. Let's go ahead, put that screw back in. You're good to go.
Fully in, and we're good to go here.
Alright, we'll do the other screw off camera, then go ahead, reinsert the window. Alright, reinsert our window here. Bring these down a little bit, try to get them even. Go. Fully functional window. Awesome. Alright guys, so I got the window fixed here. This is a really easy project. I think just about anyone can do this. All you really need is a screwdriver and just a little bit of thinking power here, how to take this apart, put the new pivot in, and go ahead and finish up the project here. Very pleased with this. Easy to do. I'll leave a link below to where I got those window pivots. They have window pivots for just about any window on the market. The company's from New Jersey. I think it's called Swissco, and easy to work with. They shipped within a couple of days. Looking forward to getting our windows 100% functioning and moving on to the next DIY project. Guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment, share, ask a question, and we'll catch you next time.